Can I go biking with scoliosis? So the answer is a qualified yes. And the reason I say a qualified yes is because as a fitness exercise, it is excellent. As a way of getting your cardiovascular activity up, excellent. As a way of developing core strength, excellent. The only thing that biking does not do is it does not stimulate the calcium to be put into the bones. That requires some kind of impact of the heels on the ground. Walking, running, treadmill, team sports, but not biking, not elliptical, not weight training, not swimming. So I like to have, yes, biking is great, but I want to use it in combination with some type of heel strike exercise like walking or running. Thanks for watching. I hope you found all this information helpful. Please subscribe if you'd like to have more information about scoliosis, and don't forget to hit the bell. That'll alert you whenever we publish new information. And if you've got any questions, write them in the comments field, and I'm going to make sure to address them in a future video. Thanks for watching.